Hello and welcome to the Mr. CFD. This report presents a comprehensive computational fluid dynamics analysis of methane-air combustion in a gas turbine combustor using ANSYS Fluent. The study aims to investigate the complex flow behavior, species transport, and temperature distribution within the combustor, providing insights into the combustion process and its efficiency. The simulation geometry represents a quarter section of a cylindrical combustor, utilizing symmetry to reduce computational costs while maintaining accuracy. The domain features two inlets, a central fuel inlet for methane and a surrounding air inlet. This configuration is typical for many gas turbine combustors, allowing for efficient fuel-air mixing and combustion. The geometry was designed using ANSYS SpaceClaim and meshed in ANSYS meshing with a total of more than 2 million elements. This high-resolution mesh ensures accurate capture of the complex flow features and combustion dynamics within the combustor. First, we need to import the mesh file to the ANSYS Fluent software. From File tab, read, and then click on the Mesh button. Then select your mesh file to import it in the software. We can show the geometry by clicking on the Display button, though we can select every surface to show in the display window. All right, let's start the simulation process. At first, we have to consider some general assumptions related to the simulation solver, which are as follows. We use pressure-based solver type because we are dealing with an incompressible fluids. We chose the steady-state solver because the primary focus is on the time-averaged behavior of the combustion process rather than transient phenomena. And for gas turbine combustors operating at stable conditions, the flow patterns and combustion characteristics reach a quasi-steady state that can be effectively captured without the computational expense of transient simulations. Also, we ignore the gravity effects in this simulation because at high flow velocities and high temperatures in gas turbine combustors, the inertial and pressure forces dominate the flow behavior, making buoyancy effects negligible compared to the momentum-driven flow characteristics of the combustion process. In Models section, enable the energy equation so the software consider the heat transfer in the problem. Okay, go to the Viscous model and select Realizable k-epsilon model. We utilize the Realizable k-epsilon turbulence model because it provides superior performance for flows involving rotation, boundary layers under strong adverse pressure gradients, separation, and recirculation, all of which are present in our combustor system. This model offers improved predictions for the spreading rate of jets and better representation of turbulent kinetic energy transfer compared to the standard k-epsilon model, making it particularly suitable for our combustion simulation where accurate mixing prediction is crucial. To define the methane-air reaction, click on Species and select Species Transport. Then we tick the Volumetric from the Reactions section. In the Mixture Material section, select the predefined one-step reaction of methane-air. Also, we use the Eddy-Dissipation model for turbulence chemistry interaction. Now we get to the solution part of the simulation. In the Method section, we use the coupled algorithm for pressure-velocity coupling. The coupled algorithm solves the momentum and continuity equations simultaneously as a single system, providing superior performance and faster convergence compared to segregated algorithms, particularly in challenging cases involving strong pressure-velocity coupling and rotating flows. The CFD simulation provides valuable insights into the combustion process within the gas turbine combustor. The CH4 mass fraction contour shows a high concentration at the central inlet, rapidly decreasing as it mixes with air and combusts. This indicates efficient fuel consumption. The CO2 mass fraction contour reveals the combustion products, with the highest concentrations in the core of the flame and downstream regions, suggesting complete combustion. The temperature contour reveals a clear flame structure, with peak temperatures reaching approximately 2160 Kelvin in the primary combustion zone. This temperature is within the expected range for methane combustion, indicating efficient energy release. A gradual temperature decrease is observed moving downstream and towards the combustor walls, highlighting the importance of proper cooling design for the combustor liner. The static pressure contour shows higher pressures near the inlets and lower pressures towards the outlet, driving the flow through the combustor. Pressure variations are relatively small, with range of about 3,400 Pascal, suggesting a well-designed flow path with minimal pressure losses, which is crucial for overall engine efficiency. The velocity magnitude contour displays peak velocities of about 90 meters per second in the core flow region. Lower velocities are observed near the walls due to boundary layer effects and in recirculation zones. These recirculation zones likely contribute to flame stability and improved combustion efficiency by providing additional residence time for reactants. In conclusion, the CFD analysis successfully captures the key features of methane-air combustion in the gas turbine combustor. The simulation reveals efficient fuel-air mixing, complete combustion, and a well-defined flame structure. The temperature and velocity distributions indicate effective energy release and flow management within the combustor. The results suggest that the current combustor design promotes stable combustion and minimizes pressure losses, which are crucial for overall gas turbine performance. However, the high temperatures observed near the combustor walls highlight the need for effective cooling strategies to ensure component longevity. Future work could include transient simulations to capture time-dependent phenomena such as combustion instabilities. Parametric studies could be conducted to optimize the combustor design for improved performance and reduced emissions. Additionally, more detailed chemistry models could be incorporated for enhanced accuracy in predicting pollutant formation, particularly NOx emissions, which are a key concern in gas turbine combustors.
To benefit from Mester CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, contact our experts via info@mestercfd.com.